This is Bing AI image creator. Simply you need to give them a promote. You can search images already people created. So here you can see some images you is available. First of all, you need to log in and now scroll down. You will find some most common question. You will get answer how it works. Simply you need to type the promote to get your image created. So here down below, red sport car at a gas station, and also some other promotes is available. So just simply you need to give a promote to Bing AI image creator and click on create button, then your image will create. And here you can see this is the promote a panda and robot made and bowl of fruit. And once you give your promote, then they will create your image. Make sure you give a promote in English language because currently Bing AI image creator understanding on English language, not any other. So here you have 100 boosts for today. Use your boost to create image more quickly. So for example, you give them an high level command and being taking some time you need to click on that and then they will create your image instantly. Down below here is some frequently asked questions. What is image creator? So all of your top question is answered by Bing AI, Bing official team. How do I use image creator? Is there is a waiting list to use image creator? What language are supported? So currently only English language is supported. In future they will add more languages. How do I create better promotes? Here you can see some demo given you. You can take any idea to create some creativity and create your image. How do Microsoft Word work with image creator? What if I have other question about image creator? Now click on content policy and click on help button. So let's now if you don't have any idea, now click on surprise button. They randomly write some text, uh, uh, some promote for you, then again click, and here is image. Here is a new promote is added by being image creator. So you can click on surprise button. So for example, let's click on create button. So they're just creating our image. Your image is being created by AI. So let's wait and check. Here you can see being a image AI creator create 4 images in different style and colors. So you can which photo you like you can select and you can download it. So let's give them our promotes. For example, blogger, no, YouTube creator making YouTube creator working on laptop. Okay, so give them this promote. Let's check out how what was the result. So let's click on create button. They're just creating the image. Your image is being created by AI. So let's wait and check what was the result. Here you can see a 4 images is created by being AI image creator. Here you can see it's look like a real and this is a new image. So all of 4 images are different from other YouTube creator working on laptop. So they just created these images. Now here you can see that this look like a real in full HD image. If you like this, you can save it, you can download it. You can download it in your computer and you can use it where you want. All of these images look like real. Also this you can see this person's look like so real, so real. This image is so good. So last one is not good. So the last god is look funny and it's not look good. You can, if you are maybe in fun part, you can use the fourth one image. So I hope this tutorial helped you how image creator work. So I will provide you link in description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.